all you viewers of Being Miller, how we doing today? Well, it's time to welcome an old friend back to the channel. It has been forever and a day since we've taken a look at something by Badass Beard Care. Now, I know other channels out there call it Bad Donkey, but here on my channel, we give it its rightful name, Badass Beard Care. Today, we're going to take a look at the Royal Night Beard Butter. Now, out of everything I've ever tried from Badass Beard Care, Royal Night has been my favorite. We've brought a lot of stuff to their channel, and it's been a while since we've taken a look at them. If you're curious about any of those reviews, take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard care, skin care, hair care I've ever brought to the channel. You will find some really, really cool stuff in there by Badass Beard Care. Alright, now that I've said their name enough, you'd think I'm working on commission, right? But still... Alright, you can find them at www.badassbeardcare.com. They are very proudly made in the USA out of Rockland, California. Hope I said that right, because like I've got everything bleeding with a Sharpie on, my little show notes down there. Whew, Charlie is the owner. He is a vet, if you can call Coast Guard, a real service, but still. And Charlie knows I'm former U.S. Army, so, you got to bust each other's balls every so often, or it's really no fun right there. He enlisted in the wake of 9/11, and about a decade later, he got discharged for medical reasons. So I think that's cool that he served that long, and he's serving his country honorably, and he decided, well, let's do something a little different. Now, the company was born because, after he got out, he does what a lot of people do. We got our Spartan on. You get your freedom beard. You got to be like, yeah, I don't have to shave every day. And he tried using some really overpriced products that he found in like malls and other stuff. And man, it just lit him up like a Christmas tree. So he went, there's got to be something better. And he created something better at his company. What I love that little tag right there. Don't fear the beard, tame the man-man. Now you're going to get it in like a 3-ounce jar. Now you can find them over on Amazon. I could not find this as of September 30th, 2020. I found beard wax, I found stash wax, I found beard balm, beard, oil. I didn't find the butter, but that's all right. You can find it on their web store for $24.99, and it's been reviewed 8 times with a 5 out of 5 review. 5 out of 5 star rating. So I think that's pretty cool. I love it. Seriously, it's a poured butter. It's got a great consistency to it, and God, that smell. It's seriously why I love the Royal Night. Now, the scent profile on it, seriously, right off the bat, you're going to get Earl Grey tea. Then you're going to get hit with like a lavender and vanilla. It's really smooth, really nice, just really, yes, especially if you like Earl Grey tea. And yes, I will admit, I got hooked like everybody else when, Star Trek The Next Generation debuted and you hear tea, hot, Earl Grey. Like, thanks, Picard, thanks. But they also say that it's got some hints of like fruit, floral notes, and some spices. I've never picked up on that. To be honest, I get the tea and the lavender a lot more than I do the vanilla in anything else. And I'm going to call it like a medium scent strength because that lavender, it's really pronounced, but it mellows quickly. It truly does. And you really get that warm tea smell in your beard. And if you like stuff like that in there, this is a great thing for you. Now, the ingredients on it are shea butter, kokum butter, mango butter. Sorry, got to look at the notes because I don't have it memorized. Coconut oil, cocoa butter, jojoba oil, argan oil, vitamin E, and essential oils for that wonderful fragrance. One of the stuff I love is right there, the little veteran symbol and the flag on there. I just love it, especially nowadays when so many people are like, oh, can't have this, can't have that, can't do that. He's showing his veteran pride. Now, if you're unfamiliar with beard butter, that's totally cool, all right? Lots of people use it for nighttime nutrition for their beard, but beard butter is more for your beard than it is for the skin under your beard. Now, granted, it will get down there and still give it some great uses, but it's designed to give it that really, really great, nutritional boost. Now, it's really simple. Basically, you do it like with everything else. Get your little finger in there, scratch out a bit. And I'm just going to use this for, demonstration purposes. When I usually apply butter at night, and you can do it during the day, it'll give you a light hold, and it will give you that great scent profile in there. I usually use from the top of my finger to basically like that first little knuckle down there. Now, just like you would with, other products, get it into your hand. And basically, see that? Rub your hands together so it coats both of them, and Oh yeah, sorry, I got stuff in beard right now. You basically will work it into your beard all the way down and groom your beard out. That's the big secret to beard butter. If you're using it at night and, your better half likes it, she gets to get that great whiff of that all night long, of just you smelling good, you smelling manly, you smell like this, you smell... Trust me, it's a neat little wonderful thing. Now, here's a fun part of the video for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. Have you used Badass Beard Care before? Have you had successes with them? Have you had failures with them? I really want to know, because it's a great veteran-owned company. They were one of the first ones that I reviewed here on the channel. They're very interactive with stuff, and Charlie's just a great freaking guy. The fact that he's got butter out there now, and I know I'm late getting this review out, it's just going to take that company to a whole new level. All right. For you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say thank you so much. Thanks for your view time. Thanks for watching this video. I know we've got lots of options out there, especially seeing how some of us are still in COVID times. Yeah. But for you first-timers and you long-time viewers of the channel, wow, I just had a mind fart. Okay. Whew. It's going to be one of those days. Yes, I'm having a gray moment. So, for you first-timers and long-time viewers of my channel who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below on what I can do to earn your subscription? You never know what suggestion you might make could change the course of history of the channel. After you've done that fun stuff, after you're done laughing at me for having a total brain fart right in the middle of a review, take a look right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right by it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube's going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. Now, here we go for the thumbnail. Guys, thank you so much for watching this, wonderful little review on Badass Beard Care's Royal Night Beard Butter. I hope all of you are having a great day today. I hope all of you are being safe, and I'll see you in the next video.